Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? I hope you're doing well. It's Mother Eagle here. All right, the weekend is coming, and it's an exciting time. Anyway, I just wanted to give you a word of encouragement today, right? This is not the time to give up on your dreams, on whatever you're trying to do. Hi, Christine. This is just not the time. It's the time to charge up your faith, to walk by faith, even when you get tested. You will pass the test and keep moving on. Remember, when you're almost reaching your breakthrough, there will always be tests, temptations. Your doubt will come in. So you always have to remember that all those doubts are illusions. All those fears, all the things you perceive as weaknesses, they are illusions. They are not for real. But your greatness is real. Accomplishment of that dream of yours is real. So charge up your faith. Learn to encourage yourself. Take one step to another. Look at everything that comes your way as a stepping stone to the next level. Don't give up. This is not the time. We need you. We need you to be strong. We need you to take charge. Because if you accomplish your dream, guess what? Your family will benefit. If you heal yourself, your family will benefit. If you learn how to manage money and use it well, your family will benefit. You leave an inheritance for the people in the future and for those who are still around. So be strong in the Lord. So I hope you are encouraged today. And on November 8th, we do have the book launch of Live Like a King. So if you don't have a ticket, you can send me your WhatsApp number and I'll send you a free ticket to attend. We have limited space, and well, thank you for joining. I love you, and you are the reason I keep sharing every day, because as I share, I get fulfilled while you get fulfilled, and that's how it works. Anyway, I love you guys. Have a good day. Bye, Christina. Bye.